Summer Forging Industrial Company Limited, founded in 1973, has been pursuing customer satisfaction and mutual benefits over 40 years and is dedicated to forging development. Summer has transformed from a factory of precision cold forging machine experiment and demonstration into an independent pioneer in cold forging in Taiwan. Summer has received various international certifications and can satisfy customers' needs and collaboratively develop products with great experience and skills in production and mold equipment development, and bring stable growth in a fiercely competitive environment to achieve sustainability. Summer focuses on technology development and invites Japanese consultants to bring improvement. This produces good results, and the successful outcome is shown in the design and manufacturing of product molds, shortening processing time, materials, and production equipment. In addition, the PDM-PLM Product Lifecycle Management System is applied to help Summer quickly develop products, manage documents and figures, and integrate production processes to create a comprehensive product data management system for passing on technology and increasing business benefits. Summer's production process runs fully automatically, and the automated warm forging production line can mass-produce quality-assured products in a short time. We have all necessary heat treating devices to produce better refining results. Various sophisticated equipment is used for quality assurance and ensuring that each good is non-defective. With our concentration and effort, customers can be satisfied and enjoy the best product and service. Summer has multiple transformations in response to the ever-changing market and industry, and the focus has shifted from hardware tools to high-end automotive and motorcycle parts. Our forged products include automotive and motorcycle parts, bicycle parts, electric tool parts, air tool part, and machine and electronic parts. Customization is also available.
我们公司主要是从事于汽车零组件的一个制造。这个汽车的未来的变化可以说是一个翻天覆地、一个革命性的一个变化。那当然，将来整个转型到这个电动车的时候呢，我们也是有一些接触。我们希望能够在整个环境的变化，还有产业革命的这个过程中，能够抓住整个我们生存的一个脉动，生存的核心重点。